So hello guys, my name is Vipul. So this video will be on introduction to CoLab. So in this video we are going to see the how to use CoLab, the how to use GPU in CoLab, TPU in CoLab. So let's go first on Google, search for CoLab and click on this link CoLab. So for using CoLab you should need a Google account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So now just click on the new notebook. So when you open a Google CoLab and sign in with your account, so Google CoLab is basically here you can mention any title. So we are going to mention it as a test. So Google CoLab provides Google CoLab has a two section. One is text and one is code section. In text section you can write introduction. So in this CoLab, you can write the introduction to CoLab. They are showing introduction to CoLab. You can also make it small. Okay. So in this CoLab, you can format, you can modify this like Python. Here we can mention the pandas. We can mention pandas. Also, we can increase the list like numpy. So this kind of operation you can do. Also you can use dot. Okay. See here. You can see the preview also in the right side of. So you can write a text in this format. You can make it bold. So you can make a bold text. So see guys here, bold text is appear. This Python has been. So you can also do it with this. See, introduction also got bold. So next, so this one was a text cell. So after you click on outer side from this cell, so you can see the all section. So to execute the code cells, you can you have to click on this connect button. So I'm going to press this connect button, and you can execute a Python code inside this code cell. So to add a code cell, you can also uh, drag mouse over here and see the code button appear. Also, you can click on this code button. So I'm going to click on this code button and so to execute the cell, you can press Shift Enter, or you can also click on this button. So it will execute it, and you can run any type of function. You can define the function using uh, any function, and you can code. Okay. So see guys, code was executed. So here it also shows a number of code. So this one was a third code cell. We execute this code cell 2 times. So it was showing 2 times. We execute this cell as a third. So it was showing a third. Also, you can connect a so here sample data for training, or you can just practice with this kind of data. So if you want to import sub library, type import, and in general you can import pandas and pd and pd, then import numpy. So see guys, it is already showing import mat. So see guys, it is showing the matplotlib as a PLT because I use frequently as PLT, so it was showing as PLT. So it has good functionality and it will suggest you. So you can see. So we are going to. So I'm going to show you the one of its feature. So I'm going to execute this cell. It is also shows so pd dot. I will just mention pd dot and it is showing the auto completion. So whatever the libraries it has, so which you want to use, I'm just pressing R and then it is going to filter according to that statement. So we can choose from this. Also you can see a function of it. So I'm going to just mention just input a single bracket. So autocomplete, it will autocomplete a second bracket also. So it is showing the what files, or it is also showing the function definition of it and which parameter we have to pass for which purpose. So whatever parameter you require, you can mention. So I see here delimiter, separator, header, names, index, call. And using this, you have to just mention one bracket, and it will show the automatic definition of that function. Um, so also you can see here, guys. If you need any uh, any online, if you want to download any online file, you can download using wget file, wget method, and just mention the whatever file address of that file over here in http format or whatever its link it is, and it will automatically download over here, or it is root directory where you are. You can use all the bash command using using cv. So I'm going to go inside this directory. So you can use all the bash command or command line. So all the commands, so all the bash command, exclamation mark, and then you have to just execute, and it will just, and then we are going to print all these files in this. So we are under the sample data. Okay. So using CoLab, you can also uh, access the files of drive. So if you need any kind of data from your drive, so you can also take it using this button, or you have to just press this button. So in the new version of drive, they have added this simple button. It will ask you to login with or connect with, just prompt will come and you have to just click on that button. It will automatically connect with your drive. Okay, so for that you have to log in with your account. So whichever drive has connect with this account, it will automatically come, so you can access all the files from this drive using this. And so see, guys, this all the files of in my drive. So I'm going to minimize it, and then so see, guys, you can access you can create multiple sessions using the CoLab. So this we can also do the multiple sessions. I'm also gonna create one more. Mm, so see, guys, one more notebook I have created now. So, and in the one of the best advantage is it will provide you the hardware accelerator like GPU, TPU. So those who want to do the machine learning tasks, so and they don't have a GPU, they can just come on this CoLab and use a GPU or a TPU. Using just click on this GPU and click on save. It will reset a time, reset your kernel, and again connect with the GPU. So see, guys, here if you can see this here, GPU was mentioned on this. So if you can see here, GPU was mentioned, and this was our normal runtime. You have to just click, and you can just click on this runtime and create. If you want to run all the cells in the one click, you can create on runtime and click on run all. It will run all the cells automatically. See guys, all the cells. And you can access a free course. So Google CoLab also provides a code snippets. So using this, you can directly import a simple codes like camera capture. If you want to insert a camera capture code, you can insert using just you have to press insert button and see guys, this was a camera capture code. You can also delete all the cells using this. You can also comment. So write any hello or correct these. So and you can comment using this. So it will show whichever if you are having some if you want to share this notebook with some person, you can share it and mention there is some issue and you can mention using the comment section. So if you want to share this notebook with anyone else, so I'm having the second account, I want to share this notebook with my friend or with my colleagues, so I have to just press on this share button and I have to press on the share button and then it will show you some this kind of interface. So using this I can share. See guys, this one was my second account. You can write any message like correct this or correct will be shared. So you can also provide the access like viewer. If you want to just view that person or commentator, or you can give them access to edit this notebook. So I'm going to give the access to edit this notebook because I want to fix that work. So you have to just press on this send button. It will automatically grant this notebook access to that person or share this notebook access to that person. So if you want some if you want to change a theme, lot of people like a dark theme. I also like a dark theme. If you want a light theme, just go on this tools settings and then select the theme. You can select it as a dark, you can select it as a adaptive, so it will change according to daytime. And I'm just dark theme. So in editor you can change a font size, indent spaces. So I'm not going to change anything. So if you want to use the see here power level also mentioned, no power, some power, many power with caution. If you want to, if you like some kitty like things, so you can use enable this like kitty or cats hanging around on this right top of this side of this collab. So you will see now. See guys, okay. So if you like this kind of things, you can also, but I don't like, so I'm going to remove that. So guys, that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please guys hit the like button. Please hit subscribe button also if you want to see more such content. And don't forget to press a bell icon so you get a notification when I upload a new video. So for now, goodbye guys.